So I have created a new ban and expresses API or server, and I am using Pisma for database, for management database, and I am using MongoDB provider, and this is the user model. And on the index.ts file, so this is the default expressf, this is the get method. And for securing our password when user register before pass to the database, we are just using bcryptjs, and you can easily install it by give the command ban add bcrypt, and also you can use just npm and just hit the command. I have already installed, that's why I no need to install it. So you can import or require it, and whenever you need to bcrypt, so bcrypt is your library and it has a method called hash, and you can give any string. So in this case we need to hash our password, and this is the salt round, how many character it will be generate for hash string, and it will just return an string of our hash data, and it is not the exact password or password like 1 2 3 or 1 2 3, and it will just return a 12 character hash behind our string, and no one can easily access our password. And if anyone access, then they are not able to use the user information, because your password is hashed, and without password user cannot log in. If user give the different password, and in the login route we are just comparing two password. Just bcrypt has another method called compare, and we are just passing the user given password. So we are accepting password from the user on request body, and our stored user given password and stored password on database is matched. We're comparing them, and it will just return true. If the password is matched, then it will be just true, and if not true, then password is invalid and user are not able to log in. So this is how you can use bcrypt. So just bcrypt has two main methods, the bcrypt.hash. So just you can give it any string that you want to hash, and just give the salt round, how many character you would like to hash behind the string, your provided string, and it is now secure, and you can compare your, and it is the exact password and this is the hash password. So it will compare, and this is it. So it is nothing. Just install it and say test it out.